I am going to explain about the topic is structure and union. It is the important topic in the C programming language, including the contents of what is the structure and what is the union, difference between the structure and union, what is the array of the structure, how the array is declared, and what is the nested structure into the another structure, and what is the function of structure. Also, the new topic of structure padding is also going to learn in this PPT. The first one is structure and union. What is the structure? Structure is a user defined data type program that combines dissimilar data types into an entity called the structure. From this program, int, character, floats, that's and all different data types only, but in that variable, using this structure, this a1 is including all the data types into the total one entity in scanf. This is called the structure. Okay, what is union means? Elements of unions are different names by which the same portions of the memory can accessed. From this one, in this part, integer character, this also the different data types only, but union access to the same portions of memory locations only. What is the difference between the structure and union is using the struct as the keyword and using this union as a keyword. From this one, it occupies the integer 4 bytes. Float is also the 4 bytes. Character is occupied 1 bytes, but is the array including the element of 15. So it taking 15 bytes in character. So 15 plus this 8. 4 plus 4 8, 15 plus 8 is 23 bytes is occupied by the structure. Totally 23 bytes is giving us an output. From this one, int has an 4 bytes and this character has an occupied 1 byte, but the array of the element is mentioning the 2, so it occupies 2 bytes only. This is the larger only, no? So union is takes int 4 bytes only. This 4 bytes only share character also. So this is the same portions of memory can access. This example of the programs. Some use case of the structure is using structure variable pointer operator to access. See, a1 dot number, a1 dot account name, and a1 dot balance, this bank details and all struct with that a1 variable struct with this data type to the entity is using the dot operator only, and as usual get input through the scanf and input, scanf and printf only. You develop use structures of different fields also possible in the structure fields also, and continuous memory locations only. It takes us the continuous memory locations similar to the array only it used. In union, same thing all from the structure, only the differences, main differences, largest field only declare and going to access the both stored elements. Next one is array of structure. What is the array of the structure means? We all are know the array. Previous topics we studied about array. What is array means? Mentioning the element, in the square bracket, mentioning the elements in the square bracket like this, a of 10. The next one is array of the structure. In each elements is array will have the instance of the variables. This int number, float, balance is going to mentioning instance of this variable is called the array. We all are know the array. What is array? Previous topics we all studied about array. So basically int a means not number. Instead of this, int a means it is an integer data type including the variable of int a, and int a of means it is an integer variable of array, int array variable. The same thing, it's similar to that. Structure employee a means not including 10, only a. Structure employee a means it is a structure variable, it is a structure name keyword, and this is the structure name of employee. This struct and structure name is used here also. This is the structure variable only. this totally struct employee A of, this is array only, no, so this is the array of structure, it is the array of the structure. Your better approaches will be used in the array of structure, required to use the 100 different structure variables from the one entity. This is called the structure. Using array means this also store the elements continuous memory locations, like that it mentioned. In structure also initialization is possible. Initializing the variables or declaring the variable is possible in that structure. The next one is nested structure. Nested structure is structured nesting with the another structure is called the nested structure. In the structure, also assign one variable to another variable, each phase will copy it separately. Separately means int has the 1 byte and integer character has the 1 byte and integer has the 4 bytes. This is copied, this is phases, character and int is the phases, this is copied separately in this nested with structure. For example, we use the vehicle, no, each vehicle have the bold, this bold is mentioning here, bold in type, which type and which quantity is mentioning in that structure part. These are all accessed by structure. This inputs only we get one vehicle is there that has the pot of bolts is there, and that types and quantity is there. Using structure, we want to know vehicle, bolts and quantity is 300 they declare, which how it declare means this vehicle, in that vehicle we starting with an bold. Bold means which is bold type or quantity, means bold is a quantity we need, so we bold quantity equal to 300, this entity of one variable in a structure using the dot operator. This is the this one structure. Instead of using both, we give the entity of a structure, so this is the structure with an another structure. Okay, this is easily understand. Next one is structure using pointer and also the function. In this case, structure using function, structure variable can pass through the function. Example, in this program, we declare this is the structure, struct keyword, structure name, and this is the dissimilar data types, and using this p1 variable to declare the both, this is name and this is int, this both is mentioning into the structures. What is this means? First one is display. p1 dot name and p1 dot age means it pausing the individual elements. Okay, it pausing individual elements only, so this one variable it mentioning name, this one variable is mentioning the age, so individual only elements passed. Show p1 means passing the structure variable. Structure variables in this p1 all the variables should be copied separately. Because of the show p1, this is character is in 4 and this int is character is 20, 1 occupied bytes, and this is 20 by the array elements, so it is occupied is 20 and this is 4, this 24 elements totally passed in this show p of function. The next one is d of p1 dot name ampersand of p1 dot age. Ampersand is including the address, so it passes the address of the structure element. Next one is print ampersand p1, this is also the address. This p1 is including all, no, p1 only including both name and age, only name and age is here, so p1 is including both. Passing address of the structure variable, structure variables address is totally passed here. 1 bytes, 4 bytes copy to the arguments only. The pointer variable, it is the pointer variable, address p1 is a pointer variable, it occupies as the 4 bytes in integer age is occupy the address, so this is address of address is age only, no. This is the normal function. This is address. So this age address of the 4 bytes int is passed here. Next one is structure padding. What is the structure padding? Before that, I want to mention using operator. No, already I told, using dot operator only if the pointer is used, we use not dot operator, and hyphen greater than symbol, like this symbol is used for pointers in the structure. If a pointer is mentioning in the structures, we use it to an entity, this hyphen and greater than is used. And for without using the pointer, that time only we using the dot operator. Okay, this is the difference of using the entity in the printf and scanf. Next one is, so using if it is a pointer means using hyphen and greater than. If it's not pointer means it's using dot operator only is enough. From the next slide, what is the structure padding? It is the new topic I learned from the structure. In this program, we use the character name, roll number, and address and marks and all using in this structure occupies bytes. From this one, name occupies 10 byte, no, 10, and integer is of 4 bytes, and this character is 11 bytes, and this integer marks is 4 bytes. Totally 29 bytes is occupied by this program. While running the program, it occupies just 32 bytes because of the structure padding only. How it is happens is we're going to see. From first one, in case we want to store the 2 or 1 byte, but the integer also occupies total number of bytes. It occupies 4 means 4 is also occupied, but we need only the 1 or 2 bytes because of masking. Because of the masking, masking means separate the 2, that 4 bytes is separated by the 2 by 2. This happens in that program. For we learned the one more new topic is unaligned bytes and aligned bytes. If 1000 is module 4 is equal to 0, this is the aligned bytes, and 1000 module 8 is not equal to 0, this is unaligned byte. This type of unaligned byte have the false value only. So the processor, it's unnecessary to compiler occupies the bytes. It is the extra work by the compiler to check it is an unaligned bytes or the aligned bytes. To reduce the processor extra work by using these padding and all. Padding means it gives more bytes to that required one. In this one, it has the 10 bytes. 10 is not module 4 is 0. It is a false value. So this this is unaligned axis. So padding is using extra 2 bytes to occupy that aligned byte, to create the aligned byte. Then only it gives us the padding happens. Padding happens extra bytes. So don't want the compiler to pad it, we need attributes in the program. In this point, we want to only some required bytes only, no. We want to check the students attendance, it is present or absent. It is only we have the 1 byte only. Present means 1 and absent means 0. But in this level of padding, we added more than bytes. Fully occupies as 4 bytes means integer 4 bytes means it occupies 4 bytes. So it is not necessary for this means using this attribute. A structure attribute packed students is used to avoid the padding. Avoid padding means it only 29 bytes is occupied. Using padding means it's 32 bytes is occupied because it creates all axis or aligned axis, all unaligned axis to the aligned axis, and then gives us the output. This is padding. Avoid that. We use this command to get the required bytes only. um, in this one, compiler will avoid padding by the attribute, so after the size is 29 only. This is the structure padding. Okay, that's all about the structures. Thank you.